The first effective solution is to perform a power cycle on your modem, router, and computer. To do this, begin by switching off all three devices, your modem, router, and computer. Once all are powered down, switch on only the modem. Wait patiently until its indicator lights become stable. After the modem lights are stable, then proceed to switch on the router. Again, wait for the router's lights to stabilize. Finally, power on your computer. If the error persists, the next step is to perform a network reset. Right-click on the Start button. Then select Settings from the menu that appears. In the Settings window, navigate to the Network and Internet tab, located on the left-hand side list. From there, select Advanced Network Settings. Scroll down to find the Network Reset option and click on it. Confirm your decision by clicking on Reset Now and then clicking on Yes. Lastly, you can resolve this issue by updating your network adapter drivers. Search for Device Manager in the Windows search bar and open it. In the Device Manager window, expand the list of network adapters. Right-click on the first network adapter in the list and select the option to update the drivers. Repeat this process for every network adapter listed, ensuring all your network adapter drivers are updated. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe.